Hello, this is Crystal Knowles. I am one of the founders of the Business Building Machine Club, where you are provided with the tools to grow your business as top leaders do. I am also an Executive Vice President Gold of a 13-year-old debt-free personal financial success company by the name of MyEcon. I want to take this time to introduce you to a credit building system that is creating a tremendous amount of buzz in the credit repair industry. It's called the 750 Credit Plan under the umbrella of MyEcon's Smart Money Kit. You may be asking, what is so special about this credit building system when there are thousands of others out here doing the same thing? Well, the answer to that is that the credit repair companies only concentrate on 35% of your overall credit score instead of the other 65% of the pie. This is one of the reasons why 75% of people who pay credit repair companies end up right back in debt, coupled with falling credit scores within a year or two. With our 750 credit plan, we tackle 100% of the components that make up your credit score using our income shifting membership alongside of it. Why did we set it up like this? Well, we believe that when it comes to improving your credit, you can't straddle the fence. You must also tackle that which contributed to your low score in the first place, or else your chances of maintaining a high score will be dramatically reduced over time. And as you as a consumer will shell out more money to start the process all over again. So not only do we want you to improve your credit score, but we want you to develop the habits that will help to maintain that score as well. Our 750 credit plan will take you step by step through a series of videos and documents showing you how to do the same thing the professional credit repair agencies do and more for a fraction of what they charge. Now, with some credit repair companies, you will pay a minimum of $100 down payment to get the process started, then anywhere from $100 to $200 a month on the high end for up to 10 months or more to tackle only 35% of the components that make up your credit score. That totals up to anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 a year for them to repair your credit versus 1/4 of what we charge, alongside of the opportunity to market the system for yourself. This in itself will decrease your costs tremendously. Now let's talk about why anyone will want excellent credit in this day and age. Number one, even if your income is not substantial, with good credit you can obtain better living conditions versus being stuck in poverty-ridden environments. Number two, you can purchase a home with a very low interest rate, decreasing your payoff time. Number three, you can purchase a car with no money down versus someone with mediocre to bad credit that will be forced to pay for the car 3 times over before it's finally paid off. Number four, you have better chances of being employed by some of the better companies out here because they hold your score up to your character as an individual. Number five, you will have more disposable income because you're not shelling out thousands of dollars in interest fees for everyday items that your family needs. Number six, you can start a business with more capital even if you don't have much collateral, because loan companies will measure your score against how much they can loan you for your business startup. And these are just a few of the reasons why having excellent credit is a must. So overall, you will save a tremendous amount of money from fees and interest payments. And the best part is that you get to keep the 750 plan for life, passing the knowledge down generationally. There is no other company, as I speak, in the credit repair industry that can top what we here at MyEcon offers with our 750 plan and income shifting membership. Even if you keep the income shifting membership for 1 year while you repair your credit, you will still pay a lot less than if you go the regular route, which is paying credit repair agencies to do it for you. So what you are looking at now on the screen here is our Smart Money Kits homepage with an introductional video, to our credit repair system as a whole. As a whole, we offer the 750 credit plan, the credit monitoring, and our income shifting membership that will help you to tackle 100% instead of only 35% of the components needed in obtaining and maintaining an excellent score. This is the best route to go if you don't want to leave any stones unturned while working the credit rebuilding process and increasing your chances of maintaining that excellent score. Now, are you ready to hear what the total is to start this process? Get your pen and pad so we can add together. The total to start this process with our 750 credit plan, income shifting, and credit monitoring is only $60 initially. Okay, that's $60 makes up $35 for the income shifting membership and $25 for the 6-month credit monitoring. Then $35 a month, then you will only pay another $25 in 6 months from now to maintain your credit monitoring. Now, this beats a yearly fee of $1,500 to $2,000 any day. Don't you agree? Now let's go to our 750 plans course page. I'm waiting for my computer to get there. Okay, so now we are on the 750 plans membership course page, and then we're going to move down. And what you will see is a step-by-step system here. Step-by-step modules, up to 10 of them in total, that will take you through the credit repair process, along with providing you with downloadable documents in each module. You will go through all of these modules first before you begin working on rebuilding your credit. Okay, so let's go to the first module. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek here, and I'm not going to go through all of the modules, but just give you a sneak peek of what you will be provided with. Okay, so we're on the first module, and what you will see is a video that will walk you through the membership portal and explain how your scores are calculated with the downloadable documents attached to use as learning tools and resources. I suggest you get a 3-ring 2 to 3 inch binder and keep all documents, which would include all attached documents that you will be provided with in each module and what you will accumulate during the process in the binder for easy retrieval. Trust me, this will make the process of credit rebuilding so much easier. Now let's go to module 2. While I'm waiting on that to load. Okay, so we're on module 2, and what module 2 does is it teaches you how to request your credit reports, how to get credit monitoring and credit scores as well. You see there? Credit monitoring is essential to have when rebuilding your credit score because it helps you to gauge how far you are moving along in the process. This is where our credit monitoring comes in. Okay, so we're going to go down that page a little bit here so that you can see what that page entails, and then we're going to go back up and we're going to go to the next module, which is module 3. Okay, now what module 3 will do is it will show you how to read your credit report, which is very important because you learn how to speak and understand the credit bureau's language. That is very important because you need to know the difference between who and what you are dealing with in each line of your credit report. Okay, that's very important. So let's go to the last module that we're going to go into. And then I'll just give you a brief overview of the rest of the modules. So let's go to module 4. And what module 4 is, it shows you the difference in disputing online versus disputing via mail. You want to avoid at all costs disputing online through the credit bureau's online dispute system because you will waive your rights to dispute in the future, which will leave your hands tied, disabling you to dispute and allowing previously deleted items to be re-reported without your notice. And there will be nothing you can do about it, even including taking legal actions, okay? So, and then it also gives you the addresses to all three of the credit bureaus, okay? So now we're just going to go back. We're going to go back to the Smart Money Kit so that I can go down modules 5 through 10 to show you what they consist of. Okay, so we're back at the first, well, no, let's go back here. Let's see. Oh, no, go back into credit plan. Okay, somehow I got back on the first page. So let's go back because I want to show you the rest of the modules. Okay, here we go. So we left off on module 5. So what module 5 does is it shows you how to remove negative payment history. Module 6, how to reduce credit utilization. Module 7, how to add credit history. Module 8, how to properly apply for new credit. Module 9, how to get credit mixture. That's very important when it comes to maintaining and obtaining a high credit score is your credit mixture. Module 10, how to check disputes. And then we have our income shifting membership to go along with it. And I'm going to go in there so that I can show you a little bit about what that offers. We're going to talk a bit about that, and I will attach a full presentation of the income shifting membership in the description box. With this system, you will learn how to reduce your revolving debt, lowering your credit utilization, which is 30% of the calculation used to determine your credit score. You will also learn how to correctly fill out your W-4 form, allowing you to keep more of your money through the use of tax codes, eliminating tax overpayment, so that you can remove yourself from 80% of the people who overpay in taxes on a yearly basis in this country. You will also have access to the minimizing expense tool, helping you to find areas in your life where you can cut back or eliminate unnecessary expenses, allowing you to pay off your debt faster. We provide you with a video showing you how to use the debt elimination tool here. And it uses a snowball financial principle that puts you on the path to living a debt-free life. We also show you how to use the investment calculator here, and the investment calculator will show you how much money you can obtain in a short period of time depending on the interest rate of the vehicle that you are putting your money into. So for instance, let's say you put $100 a month into an investment vehicle earning 8% interest for 20 years. And we're going to click on calculate. And what it will do is it will show you the total amount of money that you will have grown your $100 a month investment to in 20 years. And as you see here, it's almost $60,000, okay? So along with these tools in the income shifting membership, we have live investment training that will show you how to invest in the stock market. Now, you tell me what system can beat all of this value you are getting for the low cost of obtaining it, right? And so the last part of the training and implementation process of rebuilding your credit is our summary page, okay? And I'm going to take you there. Here it is. And what our summary page talks about is it talks about improving your credit score and getting out of debt going hand in hand. Diligence and developing good spending habits is also the key. It keeps your good name and your record clean. The video provided will teach you what to do to continue and maintain an excellent credit score. So if you are ready to get serious about your financial future, from increasing your credit to living debt-free to building a business, check the description box below to get started. If you have learned anything in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for listening, and until next time.